kill myself! Are you crazy? Oh dear! Go on, let's do it now!
What's up, drivers? Welcome to 6 Minute Saturdays. I'm your host, Dashcam Hull. Let's see what's been happening in Hull since the last one. 1 in 30 drivers living within a Hull postcode has 6 or more points on their licence. And judging by statistics, it seems that the drivers of East Hull are vastly better than the drivers of West Hull. As a West Huller, I'm shocked too. Go and argue about it in the comments. Also, this kinda happened, but let's gloss over that one before I get demonetised again. Finally, Hull Ra stumbled across one of West Hull's banned drivers doing his weekly shop.
He's never been very close because,
Why don't you move?
It's time to hand out the award for this month's donkeys.
You f***ing donkey!
This first donkey award today goes to a taxi driver who flipped out behind me. No, not at me for once. With passenger in tow, the taxi driver sprints with purpose towards the window of the car behind him. There's a short physical confrontation that a truck driver attempts to break up.
What the fuck is going on behind us? What the shit?
Before the taxi driver absolutely sends the Vauxhall driver's phone into orbit.
Well, we aren't sticking around to see the conclusion, I'm afraid.
Second donkey award today goes to a C4 cactus driver. The cactus cuts up gear to Damien, and then because his ego was so shattered by Damien's horn, if you get out of your car over a non-collision incident, you're already a bit of a tool.
Yeah,
But when you're also in the wrong,
I was in the middle lane to go straight on.
that makes you a donkey. I now offer my sincerest preemptive apologies to a certain demographic of my audience as we take a look at a senior moment. Why just the one this time? Because it's simply that bad. So bad, in fact, it's a third donkey award.
What is all this traffic?
What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing?
What is he fucking doing?
Piss off! I'm going that way. Get out of the way.
There are cars there, motherfucker! Get out of the way!
Video protected.
Just reverse. Fucking hell.
Oh, what a knob.
Fucking arsehole.
Why would you do that? Why would you drive on the wrong side of the road, even if you were saying left wait in traffic? What a dick.
I realise how insensitive showing this next clip may be, considering what the last section was, but I just wanted to commend the fast reactions of the bloke who owns the bike shop and to K9's passenger who swiftly stopped the walker.
Oh dear, the lady's just gone over. Mother, she's just gone over.
Oh, pull over.
There seems to be a bit of a theme at the moment with the people of Hull and having fights inside a car.
I'm using a sat-nav. Don't wombat it.
Why you get
Yes, why? Are you crazy?
You fucking...
Now that it is time for the road rules. Yes, it does.
Nice to see you. Yes, it is.
Imagine wanting a space bad enough to write your car off over it. On rare occasions, there's a very fine line between being very unlucky and being on trial for unintentional attempted murder. And you don't know love until you've experienced permanent shin bone deformities as a result of fearing for your partner's safety. But anyway, if you like this video, leave it a like, give me a sub, and we'll have another chin wag really soon. Peace! Wait, do I have sleeping eyes or anything? No? You're all good. Cool. What's up, drivers?